Hey traders, this is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. Hey, it's midday on July 1st, Tuesday. Just thought I'd do a quick little video here. Amazon, I'm getting ready to buy some Amazon, I think. Oh no, I take that back. I actually already have bought some. I'm getting ready to buy some more perhaps. Right now we're trending up pretty good here. Nice little trend. We've popped up, pulled back. Still looking for some higher targets up here, so looking to buy some more of that. We closed out, what did we do here? There it is. We closed out FCX. It just wasn't acting great. It still looks great, but I closed it out. I was up 50%, 51%. I took the money. It was in the small account, so it allowed me to free up some money to look at a few other things. But FCX is looking good. I might get back in it, but I did close out for that 51%. And then I did drop Walmart for 15%. So, collected a little bit on that. It looks to me like it's just having a little trouble right through here, right through that 98.75 level. So got rid of that, but it picked up 15%. So lunch money and maybe some supper money tonight as well. Let's see, what else did we do? Oh, let's talk about the market here. Look at that T2123. It is just rocking here on the daily chart, and the VIX is still staying down. Something that's interesting is the SPY's not popping up, not big time. However, IWM here is on a roll. So maybe it's a small caps coming back, doing a little rotation here in the market. So there's tons of charts looking really good here. Also, if we take a look at UNG, we picked up a little bit of UNG from a little bit. Nope, I lied to you there. That's what I typed earlier and I messed it up. UNH. Picked up a little bit of UNH for a little bit of a longer term. I'll be posting to members on how we'll manage it, targets and whatnot. So we'll be talking about that later today, and well, as long as I own it here. So we'll be doing that. Hey, I want to remind you though, if you are a member and you are listening to this video, make sure you have the app downloaded so you're up to date on what we buy and sell. And we post out there a few charts that we like as well, even though we might not be in them. So if you're interested, remember we've got for $7, 30 days. Can't hardly go wrong with that, I don't think. Hope to see you, okay? You guys all take care. Thanks for watching my video. I appreciate it.